My name is AJ, and I like talking about how students can make educational gardens for their schools. This video will be about how to plant your educational garden. Let's get started. Firstly, fill your beds with your chosen dirt. Since we decided to use cinder blocks as our material, we also filled the holes for increased stability and so we could have some extra planting space for some small succulents. Once we were ready to plant, we planned our garden out by centerpieces. One large plant would go in the center of each bed, with accent plants surrounding it, and ground cover plants lining the base. So, when we began planting, we planted our large plant first by digging a hole in the bed's center. To make sure the hole was deep enough, we put the pot into the hole first to see if it fit. If it did, then we would begin to plant. To transport the plant from a pot, we loosened up the dirt first by hitting the side of the pot, wiggling from the inside, and pulling while tilting the pot. Watering the dirt may also help with this process. After the plant was out, we placed it in the hole, making sure the base of the plant was level with the top of the soil. If it wasn't, someone lifted up the plant to the proper height while others shoveled soil beneath it. We then filled up the hole with dirt while taking care to not cover any of the leaves and patted the dirt down. We continued this process with the accent and ground cover plants. After all the plants were in, we used a water hose to thoroughly soak the dirt around all the plants. Plants need lots of water after being transplanted, so fill your beds with plenty of water. After the beds were thoroughly watered, we patted the dirt once again, and then we put our plant labels in. These labels were made out of blank garden stakes that we made custom by using a label maker to type out the plant's common and scientific names. While we still plan to add more plants, we got quite a few plants transplanted in the span of about an hour. In our next episode, we will be discussing how to draw members for your gardening club and how to engage students in your community. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!